Hi there, this is Fixed It. For those of you who follow the channel, you'll know that I've been doing some work opening Spheros, and I received a request from somebody about opening the Star Wars BB-8. So it was late at night and I went on eBay and I ordered a BB-8 that was broken on eBay, and I thought, perfect, it's pretty cheap, I can break it open and make a video on how to do it, then I can replace the battery and get it working again. And then this box arrived. I started to open it and then I thought I'd actually video it because I suspect that I made a mistake, but let's have a look. As you can see, it's quite a substantial box. Whatever's inside is well packed. There's some of the sausages which are now going to go everywhere. Uh-oh. I think I ordered the wrong BB-8. This is definitely a BB-8. You know, this is definitely a BB-8, but it's not quite what I had in mind. I was imagining a small Sphero BB-8, and this is an amazing device. Unlike the Spheros that have a ball inside, this seems to have a huge wheel on the bottom. By the weight of it, I don't think there are any batteries in, but obviously what I need to do is, given COVID, I need to give it a good clean and then actually test to see if it works. And then I might actually do a teardown anyway, because I'm fascinated to see what's inside this. It's absolutely amazing, it's huge. In fact, hang on, there is a thing on the back. Let's test if it has. Oh my god, it has got batteries in it. Okay, before I do anything with it, I think that doesn't sound too healthy, so I think I'm going to have to take it apart and have a look inside. If you're buying stuff on eBay, I thoroughly recommend that you don't do what I did, which was just type in the first few words of what you're after and then pick on the one that's got a picture. I mean, I selected this because it said no remote control. I know that Sphero BB-8s are phone and tablet controlled. It looks like a BB-8, it's a lot heavier, but it's definitely not the right one. Yeah, so be careful out there. But there we have it, and I will be cleaning it, testing it, and then I'll do a demo of it. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the Fixed It channel. Thanks for watching.